Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report. Chance appraisals on Tuesday the 9th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. We're looking at Eurodollar now and we've got this mild sort of drift lower back on Eurodollar. It's sort of consolidated really for the last 2 days. You had that move lower on Friday that basically hit the bottom of that pivot band, that long-term pivot level around 1050. 1043 was the low. But that held, and then subsequently we've held that support ever since. Yesterday basically was pretty much a non-event day, pretty much the smallest trading day that I've seen in a while. It's just 65 ticks on the day, and that sort of doesn't do a great deal for the chart really. You've still got the stochastics falling, MACD lines plateauing at neutral, RSI basically neutral, just mildly lower, but we've got this sort of mild drift lower that is still happening. There is a mild bearish bias, but not too significant. The stochastics falling give that bearish bias, but other than that, it's not too significant. And as I said, the last couple of days have basically traded sideways. This is the hourly chart, but also the hourly chart does reflect that we were formerly in a positive configuration on the MACD lines. That's now negative configured. Same with the RSI, positively configured up here through the rally high, and then negatively configured now down here, failing at 60, going back towards 30 and below. So it's all pretty much pointing towards a mild bearish bias, but not with any major selling pressure. We're still, as I said, trading between those two long-term pivot lines, 110.50 to 111 figure, and once you sort of if you sort of closed clear of that to the downside, that would reopen the 109.50. Key support from late July, but until that's really seen, you can only really sort of play this on a very near-term basis, I think, because as I said, we're just mildly drifting lower in the last couple of days, rather than the major selling pressure that could have been seen after that payroll report, and it hasn't really come through. So it's interesting that the euro is holding up relatively well. So in terms of your near-term resistance levels, you've got obviously yesterday's reaction high, which was 11.05, but ultimately 11.12 was the reaction low. So you basically got a minor resistance around sort of 11.10 area, and then 11.62 was the pre-payrolls high. So that is your key resistance now near term, 11.62. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.